everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Nicole from my Pandora Charmed Life, and today's video is so fun because one, it includes my spring collection haul, and while I told you guys I was going to be really good, not shop during promos, only get a couple things, blah 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 blah, I did not listen to myself. I couldn't resist a lot of the pieces from this collection, and I cannot wait to show you the close-ups of what I got. But more importantly, you guys, thank you so much. We have hit 7,000 subscribers here on my Pandora Charmed Life. It is so cool and so crazy. I cannot believe there's 7,000 of you that have hit that subscribe button, and I'm so thankful. So at the end of my unboxing, it's not really an unboxing because they're already unboxed, but at the end of the video, you will see what I picked out for the 7,000 subscriber charm giveaway that I will be hosting in this video. And I didn't take it to Instagram this time to do a poll because I was really excited about this charm and I felt like it was a good one. So just stay tuned to the end so you can see what I picked, and then don't forget to check out the details below to figure out how to enter to win. Thank you guys so much for your support on my channel. I appreciate it. And let's get right into what I picked from the Spring 2019 collection. We're gonna first start with the items that I picked on the e-store. So the day that the collection launched, my store just quite hadn't gotten it in. I believe they got it later that day, but I am super impatient. So I grabbed a few things that I really wanted. I got one Pandora rose piece out of the whole collection, and it is this gleaming ladybird heart. So if you can see the tiny little ladybug right there, it's in Pandora Rose. It looks like it has some like really light pink enamel. It's kind of camouflaged in the heart. And then you can see it has various crystals within the heart. Some look kind of blush color, I think. I can't tell if it's just clear and it's the way it looks against the Pandora Rose. But it's really pretty and it's really sparkly. I really don't think the camera is picking up how beautiful it is, but this was definitely one of the pieces that I wanted to get. The next thing that I was pretty intrigued by was the winged butterfly, and I just loved the different shades of the blue enamel within this, so how it goes from like light to dark or kind of faded, and I just love the wing look of this butterfly. So I picked this one up on the e-store. I kind of wish I would have picked this one up in real life. I'm not sure if the amount of white on this enamel is normal, but I think I would have liked to see a little bit less white, but I'm not complaining. I still really like this and think it's really beautiful. Another charm that I was really excited to see released is an updated skull charm. Actually, now that I think about it, I don't even know, does Pandora have a skull charm? I think they do, but they're like all engraved. So the skull charm I have, I believe, is from Ohm. So this may be my first Pandora like actual skull charm. The skull charms are very present in the culture where I'm from, and I like the little details all around her skull. So you have like flowers, and there's CZs in those flowers. So it's very subtle CZ, which makes me pretty happy. But the cutest part of all is the butterfly bow in her hair. So cute and just really fits the whole theme of, you know, the garden theme that Pandora has going with the spring collection. There's technically one more piece that I have, but from the e-store, but I'm going to save that for later because that has to do with the giveaway. So the other thing I really wanted was the butterfly clasp bracelet. I think it's called Decorative Butterfly. This clasp was a little bit bigger than I anticipated it to be when I saw it, but I still really like it. And you have CZs going down the center of the butterfly, and then you have a couple little CZ accents, so it's not too much or not too little. And then this cute tiny little butterfly dangle just to add a little bit of extra something to it. So darling. And just a regular snake chain bracelet, and got it in a size 18. You want to see it, Press?
Yeah. Was that the big mommy butterfly? Baby butterfly?
I guess so. That's a perfect. Okay, did you guys just hear Presley? She just asked if this was the little baby butterfly and this was the big mommy butterfly. I think that's a perfect little conclusion she came to. And now it's going to remind, it's me, and this is little Presley. This is going to resemble us. Presley, that's so cute of you.
I know.
You know, to go along with the bracelet, I had to get the decorative butterfly safety chain. Some things that I really love about the safety chain that I want to call out is the butterflies are different on each side. So this one you have a full winged butterfly. This one you have like a profile butterfly, which is seeing one wing, and they're uneven. So I really appreciate that little added detail that they did for these, and it's going to be a perfect complement to the bracelet. Okay, now we're going to get into the charms that Presley picked out, and she picked out Dumbo. He is so cute. They unfortunately only had one, and obviously I had to let her have it. They'll get more in, I'm sure, but his little like wings kind of move. I don't know if I could show you. Yeah, his wings move. It's so cute. And I'm so excited to take Presley to go see the movie. By the time we upload this, we will have already seen it, but this is just perfect. We love the original cartoon, and she's so excited to go watch it. So this was perfect for her to pick. On the bill, you can see it has a little CZ on the bill, but for the most part, it's just raised dots on most of the bill.
And we still haven't been seeing Dumbo yet, because this next week we're going to see it.
Yep.
And I think it'll be so fun.
It is going to be so fun. Good job, babe. The next thing that Presley insisted on getting was the camper van. So while I'm not a big camper, my sister and my parents and my brother all are. So they have taken her camping and she loves it. It's all she talks about all year long. She can't wait to go camping again. So when she saw this little camper van, she really wanted it. So I let her get it. This is cute with the little pink heart in the front, the love, and then it's a peace sign within a heart on the top, and then in the back. In the back it says Pandora, and then it has a Pandora logo on the license plate. It is pretty cute. I really wanted it when it first came out because it reminds me of the van we used to travel in when we were younger, because my parents had, you know, the vans that were cool back in the 90s, but she wanted it, so she got it. Okay, the rest are my choices, and I really was looking forward to the dangle suitcase, and this dangle suitcase actually looks like my travel suitcase that I share with Presley. It's hers when we travel together, but it's mine if I'm traveling alone, because it's like a small carry-on size, but it has stars all over it. So when I saw that this one had a star, I got really excited. Then of course you have the Pandora logo here on the bottom. You have a heart, and then you have a little emoji, which I love emojis. So this is so cute. On the back of it, it is plain on the back, but when you open it, let's see, do I have a little clasp opener somewhere around here? When you open it, it has pink enamel on one side, and my main suitcases are pink, go figure, and then it says ready to explore engraved on this side. This engraving's a little bit harder to read, but I know what it says, and I think it's perfect. You know, the Disney parks made a travel suitcase too that I'm pretty sure is going to be pretty tempting for me to want to get. Okay, so this charm was actually, I wanted it and I didn't exactly have a reason for it, but one of my friends had the perfect reason for it. So I really wanted the sparkling turtle. I was like, okay, as I narrow down and prioritize like what I'm gonna get, is the sparkling turtle what I need? And I didn't think so. But then I've been really busy and juggling a lot of priorities right now, and while they're fun, like it's a lot, and one of my friends said I could get the turtle to remind myself to slow down, and I thought it was a perfect meaning. I don't even want to call it just an excuse to get it, because that is currently what I'm battling with right now. So having this as that friendly reminder to kind of slow down, I think is perfect. So thank you, Rita, for the awesome suggestion. I totally ended up getting it. I had purchased originally one of these charms on the e-store, and I thought about, shoot, should I have made this a YouTube goals bracelet charm? But then I wasn't at my goal, and then today happened, and it's when my shipment arrived, and I went to the store and we hit 7,000. So thank you guys. So then I said, you know what, I'm gonna grab one more. I'm not gonna do a poll on Instagram. I really want this YouTube goals for 7,000 to be the limited edition Flora Bella bot, because I think the bots are like perfect, right? Pandora kind of advertises them as friends, and this at 7,000 is going to represent, you know, the 7,000 friends that I have here on YouTube. We're nearly at 10,000 on Instagram, which is like totally crazy. I think a lot of us really like fairy tale themes, right? These are kind of like the fairy Bellas, and the floral crown actually reminds me of filters that you would find either on Instagram or on Snapchat, and it just kind of helps represent the social media aspect of it. And the season is spring, and it's butterflies, and the little fairy wings or butterfly wings, whatever you want to say these Bella bots have, I think is just perfect to represent all my viewers, all the friendships, all the Pandora collectors. It just made sense. So this, you guys, one is mine, one is for my giveaway. So more on that at the end of this video, but I'm so excited that this will be one of the charms for the giveaway. All right, you guys, so that is it. Here are the two little fairy Bella bots, and I love them. They're so floral. They're not fairy. They're floral Bella bots, and they're so cute. I cannot wait to see which one of you ends up winning the sister charm to my floral Bella. I'm so excited. Again, thank you guys so very much. Question of the day. What did you get from the spring collection? What is your favorite? You guys, there's so much more on my list that I do have to wait for a promo for the rest of them, but these are kind of my must-haves, the things I wanted to get right away. Comment below, let me know what you got or what's on your wish list. What's your favorite thing that I showed you? And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you. And oh, don't forget, details in the description about how to enter to win the floral Bella bot. It's calling it limited edition, so I don't know how long this thing's gonna be around. So can't wait to see who the lucky winner is. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all next time.